A man accused of sexually abusing his church members decades ago is back in court today. Paul Dial's attorneys say that he should have the chance for another bond hearing while he awaits trial. Several of Dial's supporters were seen leaving court this afternoon but did not speak with us. News for Jax reporter Janice Harris was in the courtroom for the hearing. She's bringing us details from that right now, joining us live. Janice?
And according to Dial's attorney, the living conditions inside the jail are inadequate for Mr. Dial. In addition to that, they say they want him to get another bond hearing. The judge will do that in about a week, but in the meantime, Dial remains behind bars. Paul Dial is accused of sexually abusing children at the church he once pastored more than 30 years ago. During a hearing in April, he was denied bond. Dial's new defense attorney, Mitchell Stone, said previous counsel did not have all of the necessary information and believes Dial deserves another consideration for a bond. Stone said there was no physical evidence for the case and that the accusations could possibly be motivated for financial gain. Judge Tatiana Salvador said there would have to be new issues to consider a bond for Dial. Stone says Dial's health is being neglected in jail.
So, for instance, he has a particular prescription. He obviously walks with a cane, but the longer distance that he has to walk, the more difficult things are, and he has requested use of a wheelchair.
Stone added, Dial has a failing heart, long-term COVID, his feet are cracking, and he will be 79 years old soon. The state responded.
The lawyer had all the information. There has been no substantial change as to his health. The fact that he had a heart attack, open heart surgery, COVID, and diabetes, all of that was known at the time we had the hearing.
Judge Salvador agreed to a new hearing because this was the first time she'd heard of what the defense considers negligent conditions in jail.
We will have a hearing to reconsider pretrial release, but I'm not doing a full-blown do-over.
Outside of court, several of Dial's supporters were seen leaving. I asked them their thoughts on Dial's possibility of getting a bond. Excuse me, did you have any comment about Mr. Dial? But there was no comment. In less than a week, the court could decide if Dial can go home while he waits for his trial to begin. And Dial's attorney also made some other comments. He said since these sexual allegations were in 2003 and there weren't any others since then, that he should have an opportunity for his bond. They also said that he's not a flight risk. They have places where he can live and people that would take care of him. But Stone believes the trial won't begin for at least another year and says that is yet another factor why Mr. Dial should be able to get out of jail and be home while he awaits that trial. We know that the hearing will be next week on July 25th. Reporting live at the Duval County Courthouse, Janice Harris, Channel 4, the local station.